Hello everybody, welcome to Skywander. So new build, and again in that nice testing room. So if you look at my inventory right now, you see some color with a name on it, so we can use it to paint stuff. But the special thing with this color is that they are actually custom defined. Okay, so by the player. So for each ship, basically you have a set of 8 different custom color. And if you want to change them, you can simply go into the identity block, and then for example, we edit the first color, and then you pick the new color as you want. So you can change the hue and like that. So for example, if we want a nice khaki-like color, and we can select the color or input the RGB value. And we can paint with really the color we want. So that's a really nice addition. So this is something I wanted to do for quite some time. I just found out the time recently, and so it's really convenient when you need some very specific color for your faction or whatnot. And it's also quite easy now to change your mind and just change the color. For example, when you finish your build, so it's much more convenient to test out various ID like that. So that's it. So yeah, custom color. So, and if you look at another ship, for example, this ship have a different set of color defined, and so when you look at this ship, you will see there will be a set of different color. So if I use, for example, the first one, it will color in purple like that, but over here it's defined to be that nice green color basically. So that's it, custom color. So I hope you guys will enjoy painting your ship with various color. So another addition is that new kind of brick. So actually, so there are 2x1 to create basically 2x1 wedge tetras and heptas, so like that. So there can be quite convenient depending on what you want to create. So you can create a really nice wedge structure like that. So you guys can try them out as you want. So that's it. And the last thing I wanted to explain to you, especially for people that are really testing the game, and this is something that's really gonna change your life when you have to input some specific value in the system. For example, in the rotating system like that, we were using that mix command so basically when you want to map a specific angle value, now with the system, it will automatically detect that is actually a rotor block, and then you will be able to input your value directly in degrees. So for example, we can input 190 degrees, and we see that this system is rotating between 0 and 360 degrees, and that value corresponds to 0.5. But if we want more specific value, for example 100 degrees, we can simply input it like that and do push to test, and then maybe we decide that it's not enough, so we push a bit more, and then we can it's basically now it will be much easier to create a system with a nice value that you want. So that's like that, and especially so for sliding block like that, it's gonna be really nice. So let me show you that. So for example, this sliding block, so it will slide between 1 meter, so that's over here, and -2 meters, so that's to the left, to the right, sorry. And so we can decide to rotate, for example, from yeah, so 0 meter or -1 meter, for example, and then we push the value, so it will stop over here. Or and there we can put -1 or 0, that we can push the value So that's the idea, and now when we activate the system, we can really map the value we want. So for example, if you guys are doing elevator, you can very simply know, okay, so you have a floor that are like 3 meters tall, so with that system you can just input like 3 meters, and then your elevator will stop at the right position. So that's it. So that's a bit comfort upgrade, let's say. So I'm working on other stuff that are not ready to be unveiled, but that are quite exciting. So I can't wait to show you that. So thanks for following, guys, and see you in the next one.